Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a blurry intro video in CapCut. So this one is a shortcut or an easy steps if you want to add some blur to your beginning of your edits. So here, after you finish your edits, you can just go to effects, go to the video effects, and click on the opening and closing category. Then just use this halo blur effect to apply to the beginning of your video. You can see this is the blur. Okay, don't forget to adjust. If you want, you can adjust the speed. I'm going to make it slower, 20, and intensity. So click on the check icon and just adjust on how long you want the blur effect to apply to the clip. So this is the final result, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.